Philippines! Namaste India! Viva Gorejo Vlogs! Please subscribe my channel. I am Satik Daddy!
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. Today is July 21, yeah?
Yes.
July 21. Guys, good news. Na-receive na namin yung first YouTube salary namin. Na-confirm na ng bank ni Madam Shama. So, as we promised, we're going to buy our basic needs here.
Basic needs. Yes.
So, let's see kung anong bibili namin, pero confirm na rin yung amount na na-receive namin for 15 days only.
Yes.
Yeah, 15 days only yung unang YouTube salary namin from May 15 to May 31. So, not that big ba? Not that huge. So, pero pupunta na kami ngayon doon sa town. Titingin kami nung bibili namin. Okay, Shama?
Okay, thank you very much guys for all your wonderful support to us. Because of you, we can see this day that we will buy our basic need. If you don't see this and if you don't subscribe, without your support we are nothing. So it's heartily thank you to you to help our family. As you know, we are struggling a little bit, but because of you guys we make our day little bit happier. I can express in the word. It's like a huge gift to us from you guys. So thank you, and we are going to buy, as we said, our basic need. So it's surprise what we going to buy. So let's see. Follow us.
Our dream comes true, yeah?
Yes,
Our dream comes true. July 21 to 2020.
I think so. 21st is lucky for us. Nina's birthday.
Okay, yun. Nina, say thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Nina, come here. Nandito kami sa ano, what is this, Shama? Sales India. Sales India. Yeah, this area. Diyan kami bibili ng appliances namin. So, let's see, pipili kami sa loob. Kasama namin si Nina. Nina! Ha? And Shama. Shama. Okay. And our uncle is here. Uncle! Uncle! Thank you very much, yeah? Thank you very much. Okay. So we're going inside na. Inay, come on. So here, we're going to buy inside. Ask Shama, ask them. No, that is alright to take video. We're buying something.
Please, हमें खरीदवाया सिलेक्ट करीना दिया
So which one we have to choose? No, we will choose.
black colors be no model.
Toshiba here. So let's see this one. So Shama is checking fridge. This one is
because this got freezer down here.
yeah, convertible. Convertible. But this is inverter as well? Has smart inverter? No.
Inverter. Twin inverter.
Not twin inverter.
As a fan inverter, also compressor is inverter.
Okay.
Inverter compressor and inverter fan motor.
So what do you think it's better? This Samsung, LG or this one? Similar? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Brand is different, otherwise similar.
Similar.
One convertible.
8 in 1.
8 in 1 as a different types of modes, right?
Okay.
As a normal mode, home alone mode, freezer mode, as a any type.
Okay. So how much is this one?
25,990.
25,990.
As a MRP or selling price as 25,990.
This one is 25,990. And freezer is down, yeah?
Freezer is down.
How many liters is this?
256 liters.
256 liters. How about this?
This one is 256 liter also.
250?
6 liter also. But this one is toughen glass. As a
The
mirror
glass.
Glass
this,
door.
this is the different glass. Okay. So, Shama. Okay.
4 liter.
How many liter is this?
324 liters.
3?
24.
324. So this is bigger. 34,990. This is Samsung. This is LG. 27. Freezer. 21 years. This is Samsung. Ano kaya guys ang magandang mabili namin? Samsung, LG.
But I like that one because it has freezer down there.
Which one?
That one.
Hitachi. Convertible. So we're here. Toshiba. Do you think how much discount we will get from here?
Discount કરીને કેટલું છે તમે નક્કી કરો.
હું બંનેનું તમને લાસ્ટ કહી દઉં.
Yes, માફી.
બંનેનું તમને ફાઇનલ.
Look, Sanaya. But you like the brand? This.
I don't know the brand. Here. Shelfinger.
But look, they have too many here. Right?
Yeah, I know.
Look,
Big
too
one.
many big ones.
Big one.
And it has good
Eh,
facility. All trees here has 10 years warranty.
Shama is
Oh my God.
Shama is fancying this hair brand.
Because the model look very posh.
I don't know. 10 years.
Very small.
Clearance. How about Shama this washing machine? This is hair as well.
As well.
Okay.
So what do you want to buy then?
How about LG? Where is LG or Samsung? This is LG. Shama, look. LG.
14,000.
14,000. But this is double, yeah?
Double like dryer.
Yeah, dryer. But we don't need dryer. This is dryer. Wet Windjet dryer. This is LG brand. How many kilograms? 7.5. 7.5. This is Toshiba. 7.5 din. It has... Huh? No, I'm not moving. Not moving.
This is washing machine as well?
Yeah. Samsung. Which one is your automatic here? LG or
Fully
Samsung?
automatic all.
This?
All?
ये सेमी ऑटोमेटिक.
Semi.
हाँ, ये fully automatic.
How many kilograms is this?
ये
6.5.
6.5.
Digital inverter. How much is the price? But this one is quite expensive.
24,000.
17,870 માં
17,000.
24,490 27% off.
Sanaya.
24,000. This is automatic. Samsung. Where is LG? Where is LG? No, maybe after one.
एक महीना પછી હું ખરીદી શકું. LG છે?
हाँ, LG का.
LG. This is the latest?
हाँ, latest model.
So
Is it
22.
2020 models, 2020 model.
So 6.5.
6.5 kg.
The-
All 7 kg. This one 7 kg, this one 11 or 12 kg.
7 kg.
This one 11 kg. Or,
This is big
हाँ, bigger.
because we got small
हाँ,
and
6.5,
we are only
7,
3.
11 or 12.
6.5.
7, 11 or 12.
So maybe 7 is good for us.
7.
Do you have 7 here?
7 here.
This is the
This one is
7.
7. This one is 6.5.
So how much is this? 7 kilo.
26,990 only.
Okay. 26,990. So anyway, let's see. Titingin din kami ng isang
Sanaya, please.
plancha kasi
Don't need toaster.
wala kaming plancha since I arrived here. Hindi uso ang plancha kaya lang minsan emergency. Dapat meron kahit isa. So, titingin na rin kami ng isang plancha para isang bilihan na. So, better we buy iron as well, yeah?
Yes. Because you're wearing without iron.
No, but sometimes emergency we need to. So, we will buy, bibili kami rin ng plancha. Magaling kasi may plancha sa bahay eh. Sa totoo lang wala kaming plancha. Hindi usong plancha-plancha pero
Sanaya.
oh, anyway, ito yung gusto namin. 775. So, let's see. So, ayun guys, may nabili na kami. Di-deliver daw this afternoon. So, success na. Meron na kaming gamit sa bahay. Sa unang pagkakataon. Hindi ko ma-imagine na sa YouTube kikita pala kami ng ganon. So, thank you very much guys, yeah? Thank you very much. Shama, Shama,
Domino's, I want
Shama, say
Domino's.
something. Say thank you.
Thank you everyone. We bought the product. Let's see, it's surprise for you.
Okay. Hello guys. Dumating na po yung unang binili namin sa YouTube. Unang appliances na binili namin. Dineliver na. So, let's see. Ayan o. I-deliver na lang guys. So, surprise guys kung ano yung binili namin. You alright, Mike?
इस्त्री आएगी.
Ha?
इस्त्री मारी आएगी.
So, first that we bought.
It's too big, the box. The box is like a room.
Nine. Nine is very happy. Look, Nine.
आई जाओ बेटा. अब आ जाओ. हंसने मागी.
Katas ng YouTube.
Oh my god! Woo!
Katas ng YouTube.
Big!
Nine!
Mo Sanaya.
Sanaya.
It's too big!
No, it,
That is inside. I think this other thing.
it's alright. Yan na po ang katas ng YouTube. Isang appliances na binili namin this morning. Nine! 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 Ah! This one. Ito yung nagustuhan ni Madam. Madam Shama. Nine! So ano sa tingin nyo guys? Okay na ba to? Katas ng YouTube. Baby, is it okay? Okay? Okay. Yes, later you can open that.
This is my present now.
So dumating, na-receive namin yung salary yesterday. So this morning, dahil excited na excited, bumili na agad kami na rin.
Check it. Check it.
What do you mean check it? Hello, man. Hello. I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, very good.
We bought this from YouTube. Inside is beautiful. Nina, do you like it?
Yeah, like it too. This is ice cream.
Okay.
This and this.
So guys, ano sa tingin nyo? Ano gusto ni Madam? Ito ang pinili niya eh. Kasi
Fruit and everything.
yung LG and Samsung eh, parang ayaw niya ng style. Ang gusto niya nasa baba yung freezer oh, para daw madaling linisin. So ito yung napili niya. Tsaka glass to.
Open it.
Ha? Ha?
Sanaya!
Bigyan daw ng hey, thank you mate. Thank you, yeah? Okay. So ayan guys, ang isa pa naming binili. Lumang-luma na kasi yung wardrobe namin. So siya decided to buy this. Okay maganda. Ito po ang katas ng YouTube.
अंदर आई क्या
Wait, mate, yeah? Nini is very happy. Look, Nini, may bago ka ng wardrobe. Nini! Nini!
आपको मार दे सर मार दे ना ना
Oh my God, masyadong malaki palang binili ni Shama. Compare dito sa ginagamit namin. No? So ito ang isang pinaghirapan namin sa YouTube. Anong masasabi nyo guys? Maganda ba? Ayan no. At least may paglalagyan ng aming mga gamit.
pero ano, matching बेड़ा है ना प्रमाण बच्चों में एडजस्ट कर देना
Shama, give them. Nini, wait. Ayan no.
आणि बद्दी चाहिए उसे
बद्दी अंदर से मुंह बता
Look, that is my up there,
Mm.
and mommy's there, and my here, and this one is there. That is up.
Okay, that's alright. Don't worry. Okay.
let me see wait
Thank you, thank you. Hello guys, good evening. At last, na-receive na po ng Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs ang YouTube first salary. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa suporta nyo. Kung hindi dahil sa support nyo, siguro hindi namin ma-achieve yung YouTube first salary namin. Masayang-masaya po si Nine, si Shama, my wife. After ng mga, worries, saka yung mga mga trials, saka yung mga proseso, at least ngayon kasi siyempre nagwo-worry din kami kung marireceive pa talaga namin o hindi. So, thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. Ano po sa tingin nyo, yung binili namin, okay lang po ba? So, mamaya po. So, ngayon po, start muna po tayo ng shoutout. Big shoutout po kay Madam Sil Conde. Thank you po sa gift nyo kay Nine, saka sa family namin. Hindi po namin ini-expect na yung tulong niyo po sa amin. Thank you very much po, Madam Sil Conde. At again po kay Marisa Mendoza and Jen Tonic. Thank you po ulit sa gift nyo. Maraming salamat po. Kay Jojo Adlawan ng Mandawi, Philippines. Shout out from wife. Emilinda Corpus ng Florida, USA. Si Marilu Salise ng Kuwait. Kids of Noe. Kids of Noe. Si Samantha and Simon from Paranaque City. Si Lano Caloocan Romel Villa alias Daboy. Si Lano Caloocan Romel Villa aka Daboy. Season Family and Season Derek. Shout out Season Family from Season Derek. Little Lady Dorin ng Spain. Mr. and Mrs. Kagadok and sa newborn baby nila na si JD Gem. Shout out. Belated happy birthday kay Ralaine, July 22. So belated happy birthday sa iyo, Ralaine. And kay Dorina Faith Baring. And the last one is Pinoy Life in Spain. Shout out Pinoy Life in Spain. So and yung may shout out din nga pala dito yung cousin ni Shama. Meron din siyang YouTube channel. Ang name ng title ng channel niya ay Siko English Gujarati Ma. Lagay ko dyan sa ang ninong channel niya. It's about educational, English Gujarati IELTS. Papashout out siya kasi sa totoo lang he's single, good looking man. Naghahanap siya ng girlfriend. So to all girls na available dyan, please have a look yung channel niya, si Siko English Gujarati Ma. My cousin here, cousin ni Shama. Very good looking man. Malay natin, hindi po natin masasabi. Meron pa ba? Ayun po, please leave comment na lang po and paki-like and share po ng video. At saka po, please don't forget to subscribe po. Please, malaking tulong po sa amin, lalo po kung madadagdagan ng subscriber namin. Thank you very much po ulit, and sana continuous lang po nating supportahan ng Bimbo Conejo Vlogs. Okay guys, thank you. Have a good night. Bye-bye.